First, you need the Oculus software for Link or Airlink. Then make sure to have developer runtime features enabled so you can switch on eye and face tracking with Link. Next, you need to install the VRChat face tracking software and also install the Quest Pro module within the app. Once you connect it over Link, your Quest Pro will appear in the software as shown. Now let's move on to getting full body trackers to work with Quest Pro. Install the OpenVR Space Calibrator with continuous calibration. To the continuous calibration, you need another tracker solely for calibration and have it attached to the Quest Pro headset. You can do this with a Velcro strap or use an adhesive mount like mine. Launch SteamVR, then bind the Quest Pro with the tracker attached to it and press continuous calibration. Sometimes it will say calibration failed. You will need to wait a bit or move around while wearing a headset. Once the calibration is successful, it will say finish calibration, profile safe. Now you have successfully set up continuous calibration and your tracker should appear in the correct position. Every time you open SteamVR from now on, the calibration software should automatically calibrate your Quest Pro with the tracker. Open VRChat and hit Calibrate Full Body Tracker in the menu. Enable OSC input and turn on your face tracking and eye tracking for your avatar. And congratulations, now you got face tracking and full body tracking working in VRChat.